Hi, I'm Libby, and today I'm going to show you how I realistically eat on a student budget without compromising on taste. I'm going to show you breakfast to dinner so you can make ahead, freeze, and enjoy throughout the week. Let's jump right into it. Let's talk grocery shopping hacks because this is really where it begins and where it can go terribly wrong. I firmly believe that the best way to save money when you're doing your groceries and when you're eating throughout the week is planning ahead. I find that planning your meals around ingredients and using universal ingredients and then flavoring things from there is such a great way to shop. So for example, if I'm doing a chicken curry one night, then I might buy some more chicken breast in bulk just so I can use it for that one night and then freeze it and use it again for something else, a pasta or a stir fry or anything like that. So I think being smart with your ingredients and your buying is really, really important. So you're first of all not wasting a lot of food, and second of all you're actually saving your money because you're buying things for multiple purposes. Especially as a student, oftentimes you're cooking for one person, yourself, so you don't really want to be wasting food, and a lot of the time buying smaller quantities can actually be more expensive than buying a regular or even like a bulk quantity. Another thing you should be looking at are the weekly specials. So maybe try and look at the specials first and then plan your meals around that. It really helps you save some money and also get creative with what you're making. And the last grocery shopping hack that I have is to buy the home brand. It's a lot cheaper and pretty much the exact same thing, it just doesn't have a big name brand on it. The home brand stuff is normally in the top shelf or bottom shelf, so try looking there for some alternatives, but it's a great way that you can save your money. Let's start with breakfast. Oats are such an easy and affordable option, and I love adding frozen berries because they're cheaper than fresh and last forever in the freezer. You can sweeten it up with honey or peanut butter and you're ready to go. These are great to prep ahead of time as well and just bring to your class in the morning. For lunch, I'm keeping it simple with tuna and rice bowl. All you need is some rice, canned tuna, and frozen veggies. This is easy, filling, and protein packed. Plus, you can throw in whatever seasonings you have on hand. There's no fuss, and it really can include whatever you have in your pantry or fridge. Now it's time for a study snack. Avocado toast is my go-to. It's so easy and healthy. If you want to make it a bit more filling, you can throw in some eggs or extra protein. Now for dinner, we're making creamy chicken pasta. It's rich, filling, and surprisingly affordable. You only need a few simple ingredients to pull this off, and it comes together super fast, which is perfect for busy nights. Plus, it makes enough to save some for lunch for the next few days. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully there were some valuable takeaways from our tips. Let me know in the comments which recipe or meal idea you're going to try first, or if you have any of your own go-to budget meals that you think others should know about. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.